How to recall a sent email in Gmail? Here's how. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. Now, click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. Under the General tab, scroll down until you find Undo Send or Send Cancellation Period. Choose how long you want the undo option to remain available. You can select up to 30 seconds. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Now, when you send an email, you'll see an undo option at the bottom of the screen. Simply click Undo before it disappears to reopen the email as a draft, where you can edit or delete it. Keep in mind that once the undo option disappears, the email can no longer be recalled. That's it. You've successfully learned how to recall a sent email in Gmail. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Gmail tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.